1957 Johnson outboard, 7.5 horse. The engine's clean. We've rebuilt the carb, new spark plugs, new wires, points, condensers, redid the water pump on it, and she runs really, really good. Can you come hold this, honey? Thank you. I know you're not feeling well. Okay. The smoke you're seeing come out is normal because it's a mixture of 24-to-1 instead of 50-to-1. Got your water pump blowing back there. Brand new fuel pump. Used to have a pressurized can with a 3 leaf, but I changed it over to a 2. You can adjust these to run really, really good just by these little knobs down here. And a little bit goes a long, long ways. Compression's good on this thing. Runs really, really well. If she starts idling and then she'll bop, make a bop sound, just your air fuel mixture. So this is your slow and that's your high. And a choke. It's a pretty simple deal and you can adjust it on the fly. See what I mean? And I'll take it over to where it starts making that sound so you can see. It's actually running better there. That's funny. Oh, I went too far. So your kill switch is just turn the handle off. And you can see it moves that lever. That's your throttle and your advanced timing. So every time you go out, you will have to adjust this, just like on any 2-stroke. Hear that little bop that it did? That means you're not. Well, yeah, it depends on where you're at, though. Every elevation difference change. See how smooth she's running now? Just a little adjustment brings her right back into play. Sounds like a little 2-stroke. All right. Well, I'll put this on and. Hopefully some collector or somebody who remembers this from their childhood really wants it. All right, let's put the top back on. Let's kill it. Okay.
You putting it on.
Oh, okay. Apparently I'm the privileged one. If I can remember how it goes back on.
So we're selling this because we got a bigger boat. Check this baby out.
Oops. We upgraded.
We upgraded, so this little thing's just a little too small, even to be a little trolling motor. So
I don't know. That's an 8-horse.
Oh, is it?
But it's a 4-stroke high thrust.
Yeah. The boat came with a 4-stroke.
Yeah, it was already there. Okay. So you latch this little goodie down on top of that pin that holds your front half on. You bring it around, and something's catching you. Just got to pull it one way or the other a little bit, and she'll go into place. Just like that. You know, if you wanted, you could strip this down and repaint it. I've got the colors, what colors you need, and you can order new decals for it. You can really go all out with it. Okay.
Did we get a new propeller thing? I don't remember.
A new water pump?
Well, okay, we put a new water pump in the propeller underneath.
No, we didn't do the propeller. That was the other one.
Oh, okay.
Now listen to her purr. You can go on that all day. Forward. Here's the reverse. kind of proud this is the first motor that we've actually done under supervision of someone that knew what they were doing, for the most part. So these are easy motors for maintaining. This runs good. Okay, cut it.